Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can open AAAFX account in Metatrader 4, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the settings sections where you can see new account option at top on the screen, where you need to click on it, and now you'll be able to see two options. You simply need to tap on second one, which is log into an existing account, and once you tap on it you'll be able to see the search bar where you need to search for AAAFX. So let's search for it, and I assume that you already have an account on AAAFX as well. So you will be able to see the two options. First one is demo and another is real, so make sure you tap on real one. And once you tap on it, it will ask you for your login ID and your password. So once you complete your credentials, simply click on sign in, which is at top right corners on the screen, and you'll be able to open AAAFX account successfully. So basically this is how you can open AAAFX account in Metatrader 4, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.